Hello everyone, welcome you all again in the second part of this game. So we were making a snake game. In this snake game, we made the food part of the snake, we made the head part of the snake, we made window screen, and we put the libraries over here. Now we will proceed to some more steps. Actually, we want the score, we want to display the high score, and we want the alignment of the pen should be towards the center. So that's what I'm going to do in the next part. So I will write pen dot write, and here we will write the score. So I'm just writing down score. So I'm doing score 0 and high score, like what we need to show onto the screen. That's what I'm writing. So high score, and that will be 0 again, and I will put comma. Actually this is the string, so it will be like this only, and the alignment I want should be at the center. So I will take the alignment, and this alignment should be towards the center. Now, after the center alignment, when it is done, then the next part is I want font. So I'm writing font is equals to, then I will put this round bracket, and here I will write font name, and I'll put, like, I'll come outside the string, I'll put to comma, I will put 24, I'll put comma, and I want this font to be bold. So I wrote it like this. This is fine. Now in the next line, we will actually assigning the key directions. Okay, so I'm just writing down the command key directions. So key directions is basically for giving us the key. Now I'll make the function define group. So first I need to define the group, and here what groups are, like the direction head dot down, up, right, left. Okay, so these directions we will define with the help of group. I'm just grouping these all functions together. So I'm giving a condition like if head dot direction, if head dot direction, just wait, yeah, if head dot direction then not equals to, so I will put the sign for not equals to. This will be the sign of not equals to, and this will be down. So if this not equals to like this, then head dot direction is equals to up. Okay, so if this is not equals to, basically I'm putting that direction is not equals to the down, then of course it will be up. And then the next define block I will make. So I will make a function block again, go down, for going down, of course. So now when go down will happen, then I will write if head dot direction is not equals to up. Actually the same thing we will do. So I'm just doing copy paste of the code part. So I will write, like, I'll come over here like one and press enter and do this. So if head dot direction is not equals to up, so instead of down I will put up here. So if it is not equals to up, then of course it should be down. So I'll make it down. Okay, this was my second function block. Then go down, then the third function block I will make again the same. So I'll come over here and I will make the third function block, it's go left. So I will put as go left, and if head or direction is not equals to right, so I'm just putting it as right, and then head to direction will be left. Okay, so if it is not like that, then it will take left. Now after this I will take the next direction also. So here again I will make the function as defined. So I'll just copy the space, like copy the code, and I will paste it. And over here I will write as instead of go left, I will write as go right now this time, because I will write, so I will write just go right, and if head dot direction is not equals to left, I will write, yeah, left, and then it will come like direction will be right. Okay, so this is fine. Now the next part I will do, like define the move of my snake. So I will take the move, so I will write move, and if head or direction is equals to up, means of course because I'm defining the move, so it should be up, then so here I will do that up. So here I'm writing that up. So if the head direction is up, then what will happen? Then I will change the condition first of all. So if this is happening, then y is equals to head dot y core, means of course this y core means this is actually defining the heading, and I will give according to the coordinates, the heading I'm giving according to the coordinates. So here I'm writing head dot set y, so this will be y minus 20. I hope if you have done the basic part of the coding, so you will know about the coordinates, right? So it will be actually, sorry, it will be heading y plus 20, because it should go up. When it is moving up means something is going to add in the y. So y is for going up and down, right? So the numbers are going to add in the y. So set y equals to y plus 20. This will be the direction for going up. The same thing you will do for coming down. So I'll just copy, and I will paste this code over here. So if the direction is down, so instead of up, I will make it down. So if the direction is down, then this will be like set y will be minus 20, because if it is coming down, it should be minus 20, and rest remains same exactly like this. Then y is done. Now we will do for the x. So the head direction will be left. So left and right is for x, like for x only, and going up and down is for the y. So I'm just doing left and right for the x. So I will write left, and for left it will be like only x core. So I'm just taking core stands for coordinates. Okay, so I'm just taking x core, and then this will be head dot set x. So this will be set x, and like this. So this should be x plus, if it is going left, so it will be minus. So this should be x minus 20. Okay, and yeah, this is fine. X minus 20, set x equals to head. Okay, that's fine. And now I will just take this as I will copy this, and of course this will not x, this will be y, this will not be x, sorry, y, this will be x only. So I'll just doing it here, and this should be x not y, because we are going right and left. So this time for left, instead of left, I will make it as right. So when this happens, then x score will be this, head set x will be x plus 20. Okay, so this will fine. Now what I will do, I will just, like, these all are my functions, but I'm not calling them yet. We have to call all the functions, then only something is going to happen, right? Without calling them, like, these functions are just like a modules, they are putting inside your program. You cannot call them. So I'm just taking wn dot listen, and this is done. Now after that, I will simply call like wn dot on key pressed, on key press. So this will be group is your function, and here you will write W. Okay, so on key press, when you press W key, then something is going to happen. Now I will do the same thing for SAD, means all keys. Now next and the next. So here this should be W, this should be S key, this should be A key. So I will write this key as, oh, just wait. I will write this key as A key, and this key will be as D key. So these all are the keys I'm just writing. Okay, and then I will make the segments now. Segments are very important to make. So I will make the segments is equals to, I will make this square bracket. Okay, now after this we will actually, like, we made the functions and everything. Now I will tell you the rest part of the code in the next session, and in next session we will complete our code for the snake game. So let's get excited for the next session only. Let's meet you all in the next session. Bye bye.